Hi, I'm Maddie. Thanks for choosing MaidPro as your professional cleaning service. To ensure you enjoy all of our benefits, I've got some important information you should know. All of our cleaners, or pros as we like to call them, are background checked, legal workers, bonded, insured, and have passed a variety of cleaning courses, making them MaidPro University certified. Your MaidPro office is independently owned and operated. You get the benefit of supporting your community while having the comfort of a national brand. To provide a very personal service, we do our best to send the same person or small team to your home. But, on occasion, your pro may be on vacation or under the weather. Rest assured, we've got you covered. Another one of our great pros will be there to take care of your home. Our signature 49-point checklist ensures the complete clean, but remember, our pros aren't robots. They're human and might miss a spot. If you do notice an area that's not up to your satisfaction, simply give us a call within 24 hours, and we'll re-clean those areas free of charge. Congratulations on getting back some of your free time. Don't waste it sitting around waiting for us. Join the 80% of our clients who give us a copy of their key or access to their home. And if you ever need to reschedule, there's no change fee, as long as we have 2 business days' notice. Lastly, it is important to remember that your pro works hard to make your life shine, so treat them well. We often get asked about tipping. 10 to 15% is customary, and will certainly put a big smile on your pro's face. Thanks again for becoming a part of the MaidPro family. We look forward to making your life a little easier.